They thought it was impossible. They thought the cell was too warm, too chaotic. But the paradigm is broken. Life is a quantum core. Initialize the sequence. 1 trillion operations per second. Nature found a way. Brace for the biological drop. Quantum light running in the veins. Super radiant power shattering the chains. No absolute zero, no freezing cold room. Nature drops the hammer with the sonic boom. Microtubules firing, igniting the spark. We are computing in the dark. Running the show. Forget the dilution, forget the machine. This is the ultimate biological scene. From the oat to the brain, the code is complete. A cosmic capacity, bringing the heat. Consciousness wakes in the quantum shell. The universe, alive in the cell. The deeper the order, the harder the truth. We carry the engine of time in our youth. Maximum overdrive. Quantum light running in the veins. Super radiant power shattering the chains. No absolute zero, no freezing cold room. Nature drops the hammer with the sonic boom. Microtubules firing, igniting the spark. We are computing in the dark. System perfectly entangled.